Hey guys, welcome back. So we are trying out a totally new brand. Well, totally new to me. It's not a new brand. It's just a new to me brand. I've never tried this brand before. And that is Linda Hallberg, aka LH Cosmetics. I picked up this eyeshadow palette. I picked up a primer and I picked up a setting spray. And we're going to be trying these 3 items. I know it's not a lot. Okay, I know it's not a lot, but these are the 3 items that sparked my interest. Honestly, the reason I was on the website is obviously because of this. I mean, of course. As soon as you saw this, you knew that I was going to get it, okay? Don't lie. This is a 12-pan all matte rainbow eyeshadow palette. So, no, yeah, I bought this immediately as soon as it launched. Very excited about it. But while I was there, I saw some other products that caught my interest. So I did pick up the primer and I picked up the setting spray. So if you guys want to see what I think about LH Cosmetics, then please just keep on watching. But before you do that, make sure you subscribe. Thank you. I just got to the point there. I post Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And I feel like you would want to be here when I post. I feel like you do. I feel it. You don't know it yet, but I feel like you do. But now that that's out of the way, if you guys want to see my first impressions on this color palette by Linda Hallberg and the primer and the setting spray, I should tell you what they're called, right? The primer is the Infinity Glass Primer and the setting spray is the H2 Glow Mist. So if you want to see my first impressions on these 3 products, then let's roll the clip. So digging right into my LH Cosmetics little baggie. They give you this little Ziploc baggie type situation. So I did only pick up 3 items, but one of them is a primer. This is what the packaging looks like. This came to me very quickly, by the way. This, I believe, is coming from Sweden, and it took probably a week. So this is the Infinity Glass. It says it's a glossy glow and primer for face, eyes, and lips. So this is what the packaging for this primer looks like. Very sleek. It does have just like a squeezy tube here. Oh! Can I go 1 video without dropping? I just want to, like, am I physically capable of going 1 video without dropping something? Oh, that's so weird. It's like a clear... Look at that. Oh, it's like so much thicker and goopier than I thought it was going to be. Very sticky. Extremely sticky. Probably the stickiest primer I've ever used. I'm not sure if you're going to be able to see how moisturized my hands, and they're like, my hands are actually glowing, but also moisturized. It's super cool. For my foundation today, I am taking my, this is the test. This is putting the primer to the test. This is the Too Faced Born This Way matte foundation in Way Too Damn Dark. It's the shade Caramel, but it is way too damn dark. But you know what? I've been spending as much time outside as humanly possible. Listen, my foundation is gonna match one way or another. And that's, I'm telling you right now. Ah, yes, beautiful. Oh, I did not prime my brows, did I? No, I sure didn't. First of all, color, like, let's just not even talk about it. Let's just move right past it. But can you see my skin right now? This is a matte foundation, and it actually is a matte foundation. I have tried it before today, and it's matte. But look at this. Does that look matte to you? This primer is about to be a game changer. Nars Smudge Proof Eyeshadow Base. As always, you know what I'm saying? Because I'm a basic ass bitch. I should have done this earlier. But apparently I got way too excited to apply my foundation. So, way too excited to be the wrong shade. Yes. I'm going to move on to my brows now, which means it's jam time. So, first of all, we need jams. How are we going to do jam time without jams? Okay.
We gotta go. No hay ninguna así como tú, May. Dime si tú, May, te vas conmigo hoy. Baby, si te vas, consigue 2. Igual no van a ser como yo. Alright, those brows are ugly. Oh! Oh my god. It wasn't that bad, damn.
So moving on to the most exciting thing that I picked up. Obviously, this is the color palette. I don't know if it's actually just called the color palette. Yeah, I think it is. I've seen a lot of criticism about how this is just another rainbow eyeshadow palette. And everybody's like, oh yeah, how groundbreaking. But like, the thing is, you come out with an all matte rainbow eyeshadow palette. Like, you're gonna have at least one customer, I'm gonna tell you right now. So before I do anything, I'm just gonna zoom in. Oh, look at me, I remembered. Look at me go. I'm an actual person. Tell your friends. I'm just gonna grab a BR250 by Coastal Scents. I don't even know if they still sell this brush, but it's just like a little fluffy brush. And I'm first gonna go into the shade Orange. Ooh. Look at that pigment. Look at that. That's nice. That's almost red. Why do oranges always turn up almost red on my eyes? Now I'm just going to take a Morphe M562, which is kind of one of these little brushes, and I'm going to go into yellow and kind of put this on the outermost edge here. I'm basically putting this in my eyebrow. I don't know if you guys could tell. I'm putting it right at the edge of that orange, but like that basically goes into my eyebrow. But I'm not mad at it because the yellow mixing with the orange is making an actual orange as opposed to this like red. This does have a good amount of kick up, by the way. I just want to show you what the pan looks like as I'm dipping into the yellow. Now I'm taking a Real Techniques shading brush, which is a small little guy right here. I love this. And I'm going into black, which is really, you guys know, this is the test. I am just gonna put this to, oh, what the, oh no, oh my God. I am scared. I have fear. I am confusion. So I'm gonna take this Makeup Geek defined crease brush and I'm gonna go into the shade that's actually called red. And I'm just going to put this right at the edge of the black and the orange, kind of just right in between. So I am just quickly gonna cut my crease. I'm using my Urban Decay Eden Primer Potion. I know that Linda Hallberg does have, or I should say LH Cosmetics, does have an eyeshadow primer that they sell. I didn't pick that up because it's colorless and that's just not. I don't like the Juvia's Place primer that I was trying recently for cutting my crease. That has been decided. But I haven't been trying this one long enough to like really give you a verdict. So I'm just gonna go into this shade White with a flat brush because I haven't really used a white on the lid in a while, I feel like. This white actually has a lot of fallout. I'm not sure if it's gonna come across on camera, but there's just like a lot, just a whole lot. So I am gonna do a wing liner. I'm not just gonna do the smudging of the black eyeshadow, even though that would be everything, but I'm not gonna do it. I'm gonna do a wing eyeliner. I'm using my NYX matte liquid liner with disgusting lash glue stuck to it because that's just the kind of person that I am. For my concealer, I'm taking my Dose of Colors Meet Your Hue concealer, but I'm gonna zoom you out just a little bit. Oh, I think I almost matched my hand. Wait a minute. Almost. I did say almost. I am gonna take my Fenty Beauty Matchstick in Truffle. I told you guys I've been basically only cream contouring. So this is what I've been using recently. I've been just testing it out again because I know I used to be in love with it. And I am certain, this is expired as hell, but I'm also certain that I don't care. Powder, I'm using my Perfect Setting Powder by Cover FX. And just grab a little bit of powder. Oh, that's way too much powder. Fantastic. Do you see how pigmented that white is? You can see the white on top of my crease because of the stupid mole that I hate so much. I'm going to be taking my Nars Larger Than Life Longwear Eyeliner in Barrow Street. You guys know I used to be obsessed with this. So it is kind of like a mint green. I am going to do green, like the regular green on my lower lash line, but this is the only green eyeliner I have because as you guys know, I don't really have colorful eyeliner. So that's what I'm doing. So now with a ColourPop E10 brush, which is just a pencil brush, I'm going to go into the shade Green and just run that right under that shade. So I am going to throw on some lashes. I'm going to be using, I think, the same ones I used in my last video. These are the style My Fave by Beauty Creations. They are so aggressive. I don't know another word. They're aggressive, and that's exactly what I wanted for today. While the glue gets tacky on that, I'm taking my Lash Paradise by L'Oreal, which is just the mascara I've been using recently. It really does not matter. And I'm just going to apply this on them lashes. I'm going to take the Princesa highlighter from ColourPop in collaboration with Becky G. And I'm just going to put this on my inner corner as my highlight. Obviously, everything in this palette is matte. So, not like I could use one of those, you know? You know, maybe I'll even use this on my face. No, probably not. So now for blush, I'm going to take my favorite Catrice and Eman blush palette. I love this. I love this. This is my favorite thing ever. I'm going to, you know, apply a blush as soon as I find my blush brush. Hold on. I think I'm going to go into the shade Cairo, which is my favorite. And we're just going to apply this. These are super freaking pigment. Do you see this? What? They're so pigmented. I feel like the shade I use on my inner corner would be a little bit too much. Oh my god. So I just realized I didn't contour my nose. I'm going to take, let me see. Oh, that looks a little warm. I'm going to take it anyways. I'm going to take the shade Beige in the palette and attempt to contour my nose with it. Yeah, it's definitely a little warmer than what I usually use, but it's just going to have to do because I'm not going to lie to you. I'm not getting up again. I'm not doing it. So I am going to set my face, which brings me to the last product that I got. This one is the H2 Glow, which I love, face mist. H2 Glow is here to give your face a radiant boost of hydration and instant glow. Yeah, I'll take that. I'll take 4 of those, actually. Oh my god, it's so tiny. I expected this to be way bigger than this. This is super small. This is so tiny. Let me show you in comparison to like the Wet n Wild spray that I just recently... What? For my highlighter, I'm going to take the other ColourPop and Becky G highlighter. I just so happened to grab both of these. I don't know what the reason behind that was. But this is the one called Chisme, and I'm just going to take it and highlight. I do feel like I have more of a glow on my forehead, which is obviously where I didn't apply any highlighter. But you can see, I think you guys can see it on the camera. It looks hella glowy up there. For my lips, I'm going to use the Cork lip pencil by Dose of Colors because I recently, finally, after so long of debating getting this set, I really only wanted it because of this lip pencil. You guys already know. You know. So after a really long time of just looking at it and trying to figure out if I wanted to get it, I got it and I'm obsessed with it. So I'm going to use this. Then I'm going in with the Kylie Cosmetics lipstick in the shade Nova, which apparently I've never used, but I am sure I've had this for a very long time because I have not ordered anything from Kylie Cosmetics in a very long time, so that's great. So I'm just going to apply this. Oh, God. This is super matte. For my gloss, I'm going to take the ColourPop and Lizzie McGuire Lizzie gloss because I was so excited to try this when I got it, and then I never did. I did try the other ones, but not this one, so... I'm just going to put a very small amount of this. Oh my, that's nasty. That's nasty as fuck. Okay, guys, so this is the finished look. I am just going to go through the products that we tried today, just, you know, so we can go through it. And you can hear my thoughts in case you didn't hear it the whole video. And maybe you want to hear it again. I don't know. Okay, we're going to go through it real quick. So I have to say the primer and the setting spray really surprised me. I didn't expect them to be this nice. But like, goddamn, look at my forehead. Look at there is a notable sheen. And it wouldn't be because of anything other than the primer and the setting spray. The setting spray, I think, definitely contributed to this glow up here. Okay. I feel like I should have focused it a little bit more on the center of my face because that's looking a little bit dry. But I'm very happy with this. It is super duper tiny and I'm pretty sure I paid like $30 or something like that for this. So that's crazy. It's so little. But you know what? If it works, it works. And from what I see, it works. This primer, I can definitely see becoming a favorite of mine. And I mean favorite, like Laneige Glowy Makeup Serum favorite. Like this is so sticky and so glowy and hydrating. Like it actually feels like it's moisturizing your skin, but it also feels like it's gripping your foundation. Like I feel like I could wear this for like 95 years and it wouldn't come off. I love this so much. And you guys saw it on my hands. It was definitely dewy. And like I said, I am wearing a matte foundation today, but you wouldn't know that because of how gluey. Wow, gluey. Okay, but you wouldn't know that because of how glowy my skin looks. So I really love both of those complexion products and I'm so happy I picked them up. As for the color palette, I love this palette. I really love this palette. I feel like it performed so well. I actually ended up using 7 of the shades because I did use one to contour my nose. And every single one performed beautifully. I did feel like I had to build up the green on my lower lash line a little bit though. But besides that, perfect. Everything blended out. So look at how nicely this blended out in my crease. This looks like probably the best blended eyeshadow that I've ever had in my entire life. I also really like that this is only a 12 pan eyeshadow palette. I feel like nobody is interested in like 25 eyeshadows, 30 eyeshadows. Like nobody wants that these days. Everybody's like, I want 12 eyeshadows or less. So if you were looking at this eyeshadow palette or any of these products and you just wanted to know, do you need to go get them? I think you do. I think you absolutely do. They all perform so well that I am like beside myself and I cannot wait to try more from this brand. I'm gonna look on the website today to see if anything else catches my eye because I will get it. So that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you did like it. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Snapchat and TikTok and Twitter. All that stuff is just the Katie Danger as always. Let me know, what did you guys like from this video? Did you think that these products performed well? Do you like things from this brand? Have you tried anything from this brand? Are you interested? And what is the next product that I need to try from this brand? Because I'm telling you, my interest is at an all-time high. That is all that I have to say for today's video. So I will see you guys in my next one. I don't know what that is. Bye. Oh my, that's nasty. That's nasty as fuck.